Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how you can download Zoho Mail onto your phone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to download the Zoho Mail application, you just simply have to open your Play Store application. Now, after opening the application, just simply click on the search bar at the top. From there, just simply type Zoho Mail into here. After searching, the Zoho Mail application with the blue and yellow logo will appear. Just simply open the application and click on the Install button to install the application. Now, after clicking the Install button, the Zoho Mail application will successfully be installed depending on your internet connection. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.